Ciao a tutti! Today I invite friend for a drink. Let's go and buy some.
We Italians are so proud of our own coffee and coffee-based drinks. In fact, Starbucks has only opened their first shop in Italy in 2018. Today, it's probably the first time ever that Mom puts foot in a Starbucks shop. Mom has just ordered moka frappuccino, one of the most popular drinks by Starbucks. There is milk, sugar, lots of sugar, coffee, ice, and whipped cream. A moka frappuccino is the closest a Starbucks drink can get to the Italian Granita di Caffe. A major difference is that we count 14 ingredients on Starbucks websites for their moka frappuccino, while a Granita di Caffe only has 3 ingredients.
This is challenge, me versus Starbucks.
The more ingredients, the better? Or is it like the old saying goes, the simpler the better?
Hello.
This difficult challenge between the super popular Frappuccino and Mom's Granita di Caffe will be judged by our 2 friends, Ginny and Eugen. They are neither Italians nor Americans. I think they should have no bias.
You want to drink something?
Here is the first drink, Frappuccino.
Frappuccino is always the best.
Refreshing, yeah?
But the best coming now.
Let's see their reactions to Mom's Granita.
What do you call this?
Granita di Caffe.
The Granita di Caffe comes from the south of Italy and it is eaten during the hot sunny days, ideally while basking in the sun.
Tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto giro.
How this making?
Guys, watch in the camera and tell me what you think.
This is
It's
tastes like
this,
this chocolate.
chocolate syrup.
Sweet
This one
chocolate.
is buono!
So which one is the winner?
Granita
Tea cafe.
Yeah! If you like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao! Every day is a sunny day in Toni's home.